Welcome to Chemistry Academy, Fajendar High School and Junior College, Vapur. Student, this one is our third video or lecture of halogen derivatives. Now, in my previous video, we have discussed the common system of halogen derivative, and according to common system, how to write the name of alkyl halide, how to write the name of haloarine, okay, how to write the name of vinyl, allyl, benzyl, which group is called as vinylic group, which group is called as allylic group, allyl or allylic group. Okay, in detail we have discussed the common system of halogen derivatives. Now the next part in this topic is given IUPAC nomenclature. IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Okay, now according to IUPAC nomenclature, first we will start the name of alkyl halides. Okay, then dihalogen means alkyl halide means monohalogen, then dihalogen. After that we will try to cover haloarine, or we can say aryl halides. Now according to IUPAC nomenclature, how to write the name of halogen derivatives? First case, alkyl halides. Now as usual, our first rule is select longest continuous carbon chain, SLCC. In example, I will try to explain each and every rule, okay, in detail. What is my first rule? Select longest continuous carbon chain containing functional group, as a parent alkane, Now parent alkane means our methane, ethane, propane, butane, octane, decane, monodecane, dodecane, all are the examples of parent alkane. So what is my first rule? Select longest continuous carbon chain containing functional group means halide, Cl, Br or I as a parent alkane. Now second rule, how to write the name? How to write the name of alkyl halides? The alkyl halides are named by using a prefix halo. Alkyl halides are named by using the prefix halo. If Cl, chloro, if Br, bromo, if I, iodo, followed by the name of alkane. By using the prefix halo followed by the name of alkane, so its name is written as haloalkane, chloroalkane, bromoalkane, iodoalkane. If 4 carbon and Cl is there, chlorobutane, 3 carbon and Br is there, bromobutane. Now next point, if any substituent group is present, alkyl group, or we can say any substituent group is present. So if any substituent group is present, first write the name of substituent group along with their numbering, Now in haloalkane, we will start numbering from that end where functional group appeared first. In haloalkane, we will start numbering from that end where the functional group appeared first. Now these are the some rules given related to alkyl halide. What is my first rule? Select longest continuous carbon chain containing halides functional group as a parent alkane. Second rule, the alkyl halides are named by using the prefix halo followed by the name of alkane. So it is written as haloalkane, chloroalkane, bromoalkane, iodoalkane. Next one is given. If the substituent group is present, first write the name of substituent group along with their numbering. The question arises, from which end should we start the numbering? For that purpose, fourth rule is given. In carbon chain or in parent alkane, start numbering from that end where functional group means X, Cl, Br or I, functional group appeared first. If dihalogen derivative is there, so its name is written as dihaloalkane. if dihalogen derivative is there, its name is written as dihaloalkane. If trihalogen derivative is there, then yes, if trihalogen derivative is there, then it is trihaloalkane. If tetrahalogen derivative is there, then it is tetrahaloalkane. So this di, tri, tetra, all are the prefix. These are the some rules given related to haloalkane, and based on these rules we will try to cover some examples. Okay, examples of halogen derivatives. Okay, now first one, suppose I have written here CH3 single bond CH2 single bond Br. Now definitely it is an example of halogen derivative because halides Br is present. Now what is my rule? How to write the name of alkyl halide? कैसा मैं name लिखूंगा alkyl halides का? So alkyl halides are named as halo by using or by following the word alkane. Now here Br is present. So which halo group is present? Br means bromo. Which halo group is present? Bromo. Just count the number of carbon atoms. How many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2. 2 carbon means my parent alkane is ethane. So the name of this compound is, what is the name of this compound? It is called as bromoethane. Now next one, suppose CH3 CH2 CH2Cl. Now this example is given to you. The halo group present is chloro. Now this part is the alkane. Now this alkane containing how many carbon atom? कितने carbon atoms है इसमें? 1, 2, 3. Now 3 carbon means my parent alkane is propane. Okay, so this structure it is called as, what we call it? It is called as chloropropane. Yes student, what we call it? It is called as chloropropane. Now according to IUPAC nomenclature, it is chloropropane. But try to remember one thing, if more than 2 carbon atoms are there, अगर 2 से ज्यादा कार्बन है, definitely we will start the numbering. Now in this case my rule is start numbering from that end where functional group appeared first. Now this one is my parent alkane, propane. Okay, now this is a functional group. Now in this case we can start numbering from right hand side. So this is carbon number 1, this one is carbon number 2, this one is my carbon number 3. The position of functional group is important. पोजीशन का मतलब रहता है कि कौन से कार्बन नंबर को फंक्शनल ग्रुप अटैच्ड है. नाउ हियर फंक्शनल ग्रुप अटैच्ड टू कार्बन नंबर 1. सो एक्चुअली इट्स नेम, करेक्ट नेम इज 1 chloropropane. What is correct name? 1 chloropropane. This chloro means Cl, propane means 3 carbon, and 1 क्या indicate करेगा? That Cl attached to carbon number 1. Student, suppose I have written here CH3 CHBr single bond CH3. Now can you able to write the IUPAC name of this example? Now in this case my halo group is Br. Now Br we will write here bromo. Total how many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon means propane. So no doubt it is called as, what we call it? Bromopropane. What we call it? It is called as bromopropane. But what is the position of functional group? Now here from any side we can start the numbering. This one is my carbon number 1, 2, carbon number 3. The position of functional group it attached to carbon number 2. So this example is known as 2-bromopropane. क्या बोलूंगा इसको मैं? 2-bromopropane. Likewise this example is given to you. Okay, now it is a dot structure, bond line structure. कौन सा स्ट्रक्चर बोलते हैं इसको? बॉन्ड लाइन. इन बॉन्ड लाइन स्ट्रक्चर एवरी डॉट इज 1 कार्बन. बॉन्ड लाइन स्ट्रक्चर में हर डॉट क्या रहता है? 1 कार्बन. दिस इज माय कार्बन नंबर 1, दिस इज कार्बन नंबर 2, कार्बन नंबर 3, कार्बन नंबर 4, कार्बन नंबर 5. Actually this structure is CH3 CH CH2 CH2 CH3 and the halo group present is Cl. Total how many carbon atoms are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. मैं नंबरिंग कहां से स्टार्ट करूंगा, वेदर लेफ्ट हैंड साइड और राइट हैंड साइड, ये कार्बन या ये कार्बन से। अगर मैं यहां से नंबरिंग स्टार्ट कर रहा हूं 1 2 3 4, मेरे फंक्शनल ग्रुप की पोजीशन क्या आ रही, कार्बन नंबर 4। बट अगर मैं लेफ्ट से स्टार्ट कर रहा, दिस इज माय कार्बन नंबर 1 2 3 4 एंड 5, पोजीशन कौन सी आ रही, 2। And what is my rule? Start numbering from that end where functional group appeared first. So this example is known as 2-chloropentane. What we call is 2-chloropentane. These are the some examples of IUPAC nomenclature of alkyl halides, and all are the example of straight chain. Now, next one is given. Suppose CH3, CH2, CH3 single bond, CH2 single bond, CH2 single bond, Br. Okay. Now this example is given to you. Concentrate on this carbon. Actually, now this carbon atom attached to more than 2 carbon, it is the example of branch chain alkane. Okay, and whenever branch chain alkane is there, first we have to select the parent alkane, and for that purpose my first rule is given as LCC, select longest continuous carbon chain containing functional group as a parent alkane. Now in this case, what are the possibility of your parent alkane? ये हो जाएगा मेरा कार्बन नंबर 1 इंक्लूडिंग Br, कार्बन नंबर 1 2 3 4, ये एक चेन मेरा पॉसिबल रहेगा। सेकंड वन इज योर 1 2 3 4 5, लॉन्गेस्ट का मतलब रहता है द कार्बन चेन विच कंटेनिंग मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ कार्बन, जिसमें ज्यादा से ज्यादा कार्बन रहेंगे। अब अगर मैं राइट से स्टार्ट कर रहा हूं 1 2 3 4, नाउ दिस पैरेंट अल्केन कंटेनिंग हाउ मेनी कार्बन, 4। अगर मैं स्ट्रेट ले रहा हूं 1 2 3 4 5, दिस चेन कंटेनिंग हाउ मेनी कार्बन एटम्स, 5। सो ये हो जाएगा मेरा पैरेंट अल्केन, दिस वन इज माय पैरेंट अल्केन। ओके, एंड नाउ दिस ग्रुप एक्ट एज अ सब्स्टिट्यूएंट ग्रुप, alkyl group, or it is called as a substituent group. Now my parent alkane containing how many carbon atoms, it containing 5 carbon atoms, so it is pentane. Always start numbering with respect to halides because it is a functional group. Now this compound is called as 1, okay, this compound is called as 1-bromopentane. Okay, now my rule, if any substituent group is present, first write the name of substituent group along with their numbering. Now here CH3 means the name of substituent group is methyl, along with their numbering का मतलब रहता है वो कौन से कार्बन आइटम को अटैच्ड है। Now here methyl attached to carbon number 3, so actually this structure is called as 1-bromo. This structure is called as 1-bromo-3-methyl. This structure is called as 1-bromo-3-methyl pentane. In this example, bromo is halo group. 1 means attached to carbon number 1. Pentane means parent alkane containing 5 carbon. 3-methyl means one substituent group is present and that substituent group attached to carbon number 3. So this is an example of your IUPAC nomenclature. Now one more example is given to you. Suppose CH3 C CH3 CH3 then CH2 Br. Now this one is given to you. Okay, CH3 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 C CH2 Br. Now in this case, this one is my parent alkane. This one is my parent alkane. These two group act as a substituent group. Now this carbon, start numbering from that end where functional group appeared first. कहां से मैं नंबरिंग स्टार्ट करूंगा, जहां से फंक्शनल ग्रुप पहले आएगा. सो दिस कार्बन इज माय कार्बन नंबर 1, दिस वन इज कार्बन नंबर 2, कार्बन नंबर 3. सो इट इज कॉल्ड एज, क्या बोलेंगे अपन इसको, 1-bromo. There are two functional group attached to carbon number 2, so it is 2-2, 1-bromo 2-2. Now di, because two substituent groups are there, dimethyl, and the parent alkane is propane. Okay, the name of this compound is 1-bromo 2,2-dimethyl propane. This is the example of IUPAC nomenclature of alkyl halides. Observe carefully which examples are given to you. So dear student, these are the some examples. Copy down this example in your notebook. Now some examples are given related to IUPAC nomenclature. First one, CH3 3 times C CH2 Cl. Student, while writing the IUPAC nomenclature of such type of examples, first you should able to write the simple structure. इसका आपको simple structure लिखते आना चाहिए. Now what is the valency of carbon? What is the valency of carbon? Valency of carbon is 4. Now see this carbon. I am writing this one. This is your C. To this C, CH2 is attached and Cl. How many CH3 are there? 3. One top, one bottom, one left hand side. So these are the 3 CH3. Okay. Now this both structures are same. Now this is your CH3 3 times, okay, CH2 Cl. Now both structures are same. In this case, first select your parent alkane. What we will select here? First we will select a parent alkane. Now according to rule, this one is my parent alkane. According to rule, this one is my parent alkane. Start numbering from that end where Cl appeared first. So this carbon is carbon number 1. This one is my carbon number 2. This one is my carbon number 3. So this example is called as 2,2. Okay, sorry. This example is known as 1-chloro 2,2-dimethyl. 1-chloro 2,2-dimethyl, and parent alkane is propane. 1-chloro 2,2-dimethyl propane. Now next example is given to you. It is common system benzyl, but in IUPAC nomenclature this carbon act as a parent alkane. This carbon act as a parent alkane, and my parent alkane, one carbon means methane, I means iodo, and this is your benzene ring. And substituted benzene, बेंजीन को यहाँ CH2 अटैच्ड है कि उसका एक H मैंने सब्स्टिट्यूट किया CH2 से. So this substituted benzene, it is called as phenyl, or phenyl. Now this position is also known as 1. It is 1-phenyl methane, and before that one right there iodo. So actually the name of this compound is 1-iodo 1-phenyl methane. 1 कार्बन है, कितने कार्बन है? 1. इसलिए एक ही कार्बन को I अटैच्ड है, एक ही कार्बन को फिनाइल बेंजीन रिंग अटैच्ड है, तो इसका नेम क्या हो जाएगा? 1-iodo 1-phenyl methane. Now all are the examples of your alkyl halides. Now come to the examples of haloalkene and haloalkyne. Now this example here, carbon number 1 and carbon number 2, Cl means chloro. What is the name of CH2 double bond? CH, carbon containing double bond and 2 carbon, it is ethene. So the name of this compound is, our 11th standard name of this compound is chloroethene. Now here triple bond is there, triple bond and 2 carbon means it is ethane, and Cl means chloro. So what is the name of this compound? Chloroethane. This one is your chloroethane. Now this one is your also alkene. Here 3 carbon atoms means propene. 3 carbon atom means propene. Cl means chloro. This is carbon number 1, 2 and 3. So it is called as what we call it. It is known as 3-chloropropene. क्या बोलूंगा इसको मैं? 3-chloropropene. So this one is your chloroethene. Why ethene? Double bond and 2 carbon. Chloroethane. Why chloroethane? 2 carbon triple bond. This one is your propene. Why propene? Because 3 carbon containing double bond and position of functional group is 3. This is called as your 3-chloropropene. These are the some examples of IUPAC nomenclature of alkyl halide within 2 minutes. Now the examples of your aryl halides, aromatic halides. Now try to note down all examples in your notebook and just go through a textbook. Some few extra examples are given. Okay, student. Now come to the IUPAC nomenclature of haloarine. Okay, aryl halides. Just in common system अपन ने cover किए how to write the IUPAC nomenclature of your aryl halides. So it is called as haloarine by using the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. So aryl halides are named as haloarine by using numbering. Suppose I have written here benzene ring, okay, Cl and Cl. This is my carbon number 1, carbon number 2, okay. So it is called as 1, 2. Prefix use is di. Cl means chloro. So 1, 2 dichloro and aromatic compound is benzene. So what we call it? 1, 2 dichloro benzene. Suppose next one example is given benzene ring. Okay, benzene ring. Attach there Br and this position CH3 is given. Now from which carbon we will start the numbering? अपन यहाँ से ये कार्बन से नंबरिंग स्टार्ट करेंगे और फ्रॉम दिस कार्बन always use functional group. My functional group is Br. So this is carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this group act as a substituent. It is called as 1-bromo. Okay, 4-methyl, 1-bromo, 4-methyl and remaining part is your benzene. 1-bromo, 4-methyl benzene. Now suppose next one is given to you. Okay, instead of double bond you can write circle. Now this one is your I and I. This is carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Up 2 halides are there. Prefix is di. Diiodobenzene. Position is 1, 4. So it is called as 1,4-diiodobenzene. What is the name of this compound? 1,4-diiodobenzene. Student, this is few examples of IUPAC nomenclature of aryl halides. So in this lecture, in this video, I have tried to cover the examples of alkyl halides as well as the example of aryl halides with carbon-carbon double bond as well as carbon-carbon triple bond. Okay, so hope you will understand the whole concept. Now in my next video we will try to study the method of preparation of halogen derivatives. Okay, thank you.